My brothers and sisters, una welcome. This na unique academy, the only academy wey dey use help students learn everything academics in their own mother language. My name na Unique Guy, and for this academy, we will help you learn everything wey you need to know in order to pass all your exams. The only thing wey you need to do in order to register for this academy na one, subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. Two, make you drop your name for the email, your name, your subject wey you go like to take for the comment section of this video, and then make you also drop us your email address if you get one. That way we will send you a link for our video class. As we dey take online classes for that subject, we go send you the link so that you go dey join persons wey dey enjoy our online classes. As I tell you, today we will solve binary operation. And I promise you, say after this video, you go dey able to solve every question wey come under binary operation, but maybe every question, except those questions we get to do with decimal. That one I go take and specially treat that one for one special video we get to do with video class we will get to do with decimal. And at that place I go show you everything about how you go take solve question on binary number on decimal. Now before we waste time, we no waste time. We will go straight to the first one. When you dey solve binary operation, the first thing wey your teacher go ask you na how you go take convert from one base to another. They go also teach you how you go take convert from base 10 to other bases, and they go also teach you how to convert from other bases to base 10, and they go also teach you how to now convert fractions wey be say dem be decimal wey involve binary numbers to other binary number, either base 10 or to other bases. These na the things wey they go teach you under binary number. And more importantly, dey important for persons wey dey enter SS1 or grade 9. If you dey enter that level, e go dey important make you know this, because it go help you to answer any question wey you go see for your exam. So make we no waste time, make we start with how to convert from one base to another basis. Now we will look at first how to convert from one base to another base. Now when we talk about number bases, make I give you the basis of number bases. Number bases contain numbers, na way of counting numbers, and when we count number, we either count number in base 2 or in base 10. Base 10 na the international way of counting number. Some people go say 10 plus 10, 10 plus 20 go give you 30, 10 plus 10 go give you 20, 10 plus 100 go give you 110. That one na calculation in base 10, or we dey call am the denary. Now we get other calculation for basis, for number basis, will be for binary, and those ones the science people they produce that one, or they bring out that one so as to help computer machines to be able to read numbers and code them, so that the person wey go dey the other end no go fit understand the message wey they send. That one na the application of binary number for computer programming, and that one now we dey call binary number. Now there we take get the name binary number. So the aim of solving binary number is to change that word, that number wey dey for computer language, to language wey human, number wey human go fit read. Remember I tell you say the thing wey we dey take translate, or we dey take exchange, who they take understand numbers, now base Wetin, base 10. Now make we look at how we will take solve this. What if they give you one number for base 7 and they say change them to another number? If it be base 2, if it be base 5, if it be base 8, if it be base 10, how you go take do am? Now I will show you the easiest way we go take do that question. If they ask you to convert that question, the first thing be say you go change that question first to the normal base 10 where everybody they take do solve question, and then you go now change that base 10 to the required base. Now imagine say they give you 413. Make we take this as sample 1. they give you 413 and they give you am in base, Mook say they give you am in base 7 and they make you change am to another base, and that another base wey dem make you change am na base 5. So if they ask you to change 4137 to base 5, wetin you go do? Remember, say you go change them to first to the base, normal base, base 10. Who they take do calculation? Will they take do multiplication, addition, division, and what? Wetin they call the other one? Subtraction. So we'll change them first to base 7, base 10, and then we'll change them to base 5. So when we get this 413 in base 7, we will change them to base what? We will change them to base 10. Now, if we want to change this one to base 10, we get two methods. What would they use? One method, now the method what they call power expansion method. Power expansion method. Now, within that method be, make I show you how to use that method. That method be say we will put all this number in 7, and that 7 go dey in their various place value. Now, wetin they call their place, that is their position for numbers. We will get 4, we will multiply them by 7, right? And that one will be to the power of what? 1, 2, 3. We will add them first. Plus 1 times 7 plus 3 times what? Times 7. So we'll put them for their place value. This one will be 0 under unit. This one will be 1 under 10, and this one will be 2 under what? Under 100. So this one dey in place value, this one dey in place value, and this one dey in place value. So wetin we go do be say we go multiply this one 4 times 7 times 2 will give us 49. Plus 1 times 7 will give us 7. Plus 3 times anything we will put to the power of 1, 0. It dey always 1. It dey be always 1. So we'll multiply this by what? By 1. So this one will multiply by 1 too. So 49 times 4, right? 49 times 4 will give us 90. It will give us 96. Abi, it will give us 196. 196 plus this one will give us 7. This one will give us 3. So 7 plus 3 will give us 10. Plus this one will give us 10. Will give us 206. So this 206 could be in base Wetin? In base 10. So this one are the method we will call power expansion method. Some people go fit talk say this method too hard for them to come dey put this thing for their place value, come dey multiply them by the number. What if we give you 9? You go come dey find 9 to the power of 5. It dey too hard. Okay, make I find easier way wey go make am easy for me. Now, the easier way fit be this successive multiplication method. Now, wetin be this successive multiplication method? If we have 413, successive multiplication method say you go first multiply that 4 by the number base wey you dey convert to, that is 7. And the answer wey e go give you, you go add them to the next number. So make we start. 4 times 7 will give us Wetin? 4 times 7 will give us 28. So we'll add them for the next number. The next number now 1. If we add them, it will give us Wetin? 29. That 29 we go still multiply them by 7. You see why we call them successive multiplication? Because we dey multiply the answers we will get by the base wey dem give us. 9 times 7, if we multiply that one will give us what? This one will give us 3. 7 times 2 now 14. We will add the remainder. That will give us what? Remainder 6. Well, that one will give us 20. So this one will give us 203. So what we will do now, we will add them to the next one. The next one are 3. So if we add 3, that one will give us Wetin? The answer will become 206 in base what? In base 10. So you see, say this one easy. We get 413. All of them dey in base what? 7. And we don't change them to base what? Base 10. So if you look this method, anyone wey dey easy for you, make you dey use am, because when you dey solve mathematics for examination hall, the thing idea be say na make you use the simplest and fastest method to get your answer. People fit use various method, na im make me like mathematics. You fit use the same different type of method, but you go get to the same answer so long as you use the principles and rules of mathematics. Now we don convert this one to base what? To base 10. Now we want to convert am to base 5. Make we convert am to base 5 so that we will get our final answer. Remember, the same your answer must be in base what? In base 5. So if we want convert base 10 to base 5, wetin we go do? To convert base 10 to base 5, we dey use the method wey we dey call successive division method. That means I go carry that number wey dem give me, wey be 206, I go dey divide am with the number wey dem say make I divide am to change am to. I go dey divide am with that number until e become wetin? 0. Na im make am we call am successive division. So I go do 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 go give me wetin? 20 divided by 5 go give me 4. Because 4 times 5 will give us 20. 6 divided by 5, we will get only 1 5. And remember, it will give us what? 1. Because 5 times 1 will give us 5. 6 minus 5 will give us 1. So we'll divide them again with 5. How many 5 will we get for 41? How many 5 will we get for 41? That will give me, that one will give me 8 5. 8 times 5 will give me 40. Maybe so. When you give me 40, 41 minus 40 will remain wetin? 1. The next thing I go divide that 8 with 5. 8 divided by 5, I will only see 1 5 for 8. Because 5 times 1 will give me 5. So 8 minus 5 will remain wetin? 3. So I will remain my 3 here. So the next thing we say, I go still divide that 5 by what? That 1 by 5. 1 divided by 5, you know they possible, I write 0. And my remainder go remain wetin? It go remain 1. So you see this remainder, so I will count them from bottom to what? To top. From under to the top. If I count them from under to the top, then this answer result with the question with the small fine 1,3,1,4,7,413 to base 5 will give me waiting 1,3,1,1 for base waiting for base 5. And this now the answer to that question where they give us. So you see, say they very easy, you know, hard. So when they give you any question like this, the first thing we go come to your mind now how you go take convert them to base 10. And when you convert them to base 10, then you go easily find the answer when you convert that base 10 to the base where they ask you make you convert them to. Now that one. Now we could see one example on how we will take convert from one base to base 10. Remember I said I will show you 3 things. How we will convert from one base to another base, how we will convert from one base to base 10, and how we will convert from base 10 to another base. So we will check the second one. We want to see how we take convert from one base to base 10. Now when they give us one question and the smoke will convert that question to base 10, how we will take change them? We want change this one to base what? To base 10. I will use one simple example, or I will make a 2 so that you will understand them well. What if they say make you convert 110 for 2, and they tell you say make you convert them to base 10. What you go do? Now if they say make you convert am to base 10, this one na base 2 already. Remember I tell you say na the number wey computer dey fit read, 1 and 0. Now they say make you convert am to base 10. Remember two methods wey I show you, power expansion method and successive multiplication method. Make we use our second method first. Remember say that our second method, e be like say e dey faster because na the method wey me I dey use and e dey fast for me. So me I go get 1 first. 1 multiplied by 2, that will give me what? 2. I go add am to the next one plus that one. That one go give me 3. I go now multiply this 3 by 2. That one go give me 6. Remember, I go add am to what? The next one, 0. And that one go still give me what? 6. So wetin I go do be say I go still multiply this 6 by 2. And that one go give me wetin? 12. I go add am to the next one, which is 1. And when I add am, e go give me wetin? 13. So I go multiply that 13 by 2. Wetin e go give me? 3 times 2, that will give me 26. I go add am to the next one, and the next one na 0. If I add am to 0, e go give me wetin? 26. So I go multiply that 26 by 2. 6 times 2 will give me wetin? 12. 6 times 2 will give me 12. 12 plus 2 times 2 will give me 4 plus 1. That one will give me 52. That 52, I go still add am with the last one. And that one will give me wetin? 50 wetin? 53 for base wetin? For base 10. So you see, say na so you dey take do successive multiplication. When you check am now, e dey complete. 110101. E no take me time. The answer go just come out. So wetin you need to do if they give you this kind of question for exam, or if your examiner see this thing wey you do, you no mind, he go give you your mark, because na the best way wey you go take answer that kind of question. Sorry, this one na code siddon. Now make we look am from the other side. When we dey talk about the power expansion method, remember the answer wey this one give us, 53. Now the power expansion method, now make we change all these ones to base wetin? To base 10. So wetin this one go give me now? 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. No, this one will give me 0. Right? So we get 2 0 and we get 2 1. And you will put all of them for their place value. This one are units, this one are 10, this one are 100, this one are 1000, this one are tens of thousand, this one are hundreds of what? Thousand. All of them within their place value. So the next thing what you go do now to come dey multiply this. Now imagine if you get this one to be 2 to the power of 9. From where you go get the head for inside your exam hall to come dey think wetin 2 into 9 be. You see say that first method dey faster, because you no need to dey think. Your own na just to dey do multiplication and the answer go dey come out. You go dey do your addition, the thing go dey flow. But you see this one you go come dey think wetin 2 to the power of 9 go give you. Haba, if you see say this first method better for you, abeg make you use the first method. E go dey faster for you for exam. Now make we see this one. This one now go give me 1 times 2. Remember, anything wey raise to the power of 0 for maths na 1. So 1 times 1 go give me 1 plus this one go give me 0. 2 to the power of 1 na 2 times 0 go give me 0. I no need add anything there. 2 to the power of 2 na 2 times 2, that is 4, times 1, that will still give me 4, plus 2 to the power of 3 na 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2 na 8. 8 times 0 go still give me 0, plus 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 na 16, 1 times 16 go give me 16 plus 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16, 16 times 2 go give me 32 times 1 go give me 32. So if you add all these things, wetin go give you? 16 plus 4 go give us 20 plus 32 go give us 52. Then we will add 1 to am. So that 52 plus 1 go give us what? 53 for base wetin? For base 10. Gen Z. You see say this one give us the same answer wey that one give us. So why you go waste your time? Now check the time wey we use solve this one and the time wey we use solve that one. You go see say that one dey fast and that one dey simpler. If you check these two methods, anyone wey dey easy for you, abeg put am for your comment. Remember, I tell you make you no forget to put your name, the subject wey you like to take for our online classes, and your email address, so that I go send you the Zoom link wey we dey use do our online class, private online class with people, and na free. So when you check this one, the one wey dey okay for you, make you comment am for the comment section so that we go talk about am. Now this one na how to convert from one base to base wetin? To base 10. I go give you only one. No, I promise I go give two examples. So we go check the second example. This one now from base 2 to base 10. So we go see how we go take convert from base 5 to base 10. What if they give us a number for base 5 and the smoke will convert them to base 10? Smoke will say then give us 1 3 4 for base 5 and the smoke will change that to base 10. What you go do? Now I go first use our easier method. What I go do be say I go get 1, multiply am by the 5, abi, and that one go give us 5, plus I go add my 3, and that one go give me wetin? 8. I go still multiply that 8 by 5, and that one go give me wetin? 40. I go add am to my 4, and that one go give me the answer to become wetin? 44. My brothers and sisters, how many seconds it take us do this one? E no even reach 30 seconds. We don't get the answer. Now we go try am using the other method. The other method, remember say you go first put am for the place value. We go see, we will carry 1 times 5, 1 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 5. Now we will put all of them for the place value, 0, 1, and wetin? And 2. 5 to the power of 2, I will get 1 multiplied by 25 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times anything wey dey to the power of 5 na 1. This one go give me 25 plus this one go give me 15 plus this one go give me 4. 15 plus 4 go give me 19. 25 plus 19, that one go give me wetin? 44 to the power of what? To base 10. So you see say the time wey e take me do this one dey longer than the time wey e take me do this one. So e long well well. That means say this one even dey faster. So if you understand this one well well and you fit use am, abeg dey use am for your exam hall. It will help you save your time because you need time to solve other difficult and hard questions for your exam. So this one na how we don convert this 134 base 5 to base wetin? To base 10. Now more we go again. I say another thing wey I wan teach you na how you go take convert from base 10 to other bases. So here we go change am from base 10, we go change am to other bases. If we want to convert from base 10 to other bases, na wetin you go do? From base 10 to other bases, wetin we go do? Remember, we go take other example. E just be like say they don give you one normal number and they say change this number to base 2. They give you one normal number and they say change am to base 5. They give you one normal number and say change am to base this. Make we see how we go take do am. So make we take the first example. The first example, they tell us make we change, make we see how we take change 437 for base 10. Make we change am to base 5. Now remember say base 10 na the normal number wey we dey take do our normal daily calculation. Now this base 10, if they ask you make you change am to base 5, wetin we go do na multiple what? Division. That means say we will multiply, we will divide 437 by wetin? By 5. So make we start. 43 divided by 5. How many 5 will we get for 43? We will get like 85, because 8 times 5 na 40. 8 times 5 will give us 40. If we minus 40 from 43, it will remain 3. So we'll put them here to make this one 37. How many 5 will we get from 37? That one will give us 7, because 7 times 5 na 35. So if we minus 35 from 37, the remainder will be waiting 2. Now we will go again, we'll still divide them by 5. 87 divided by 5. How many 5 will we get from 8? That one will give me only 1 5. Only 1 5. So we'll write 1, maybe 5. It will remain 3. How many 5 will we get for 37? Now 5. 37 times 5 times 5 times how many 5 will we get from 37? Now 7. 7 5. I thought I'm saying now 7. 7 times 5 will give us 35. Abi, 37 comot 35. It will remain waiting. It will remain 2. So we will go again. Divide 17 by 5. How many 5 will we get for 17? 17 will give us 3. Because 5 times 3 will give us 15. Remember, it will remain another 2. So we'll go again with 5. Now you see, say this one small pass wetin we dey divide am with. So if 3 divide 5, it will give us 0. And the remainder will become wetin? 3. Remember, na so we go dey divide am until you go turn to wetin? To 0. So wetin you can do na to count this one from bottom to top. If you count am from bottom to top, that means 4 3 7 for base 10 go dey equal to 3 2 2 2 for base wetin? For base 5. Now that one is the answer. So you see, say e dey very very easy. E no hard. E no hard, chacha. E no hard. So make we see another simple example on how you go convert from base 10 to other base. Make I give you this one. If I give you this one, I want us to go try them together. Then I will give you another one. That one you will go do one for your house. You will do one for your parlor, or you do one for kitchen. If you do one for kitchen, you will get them. Because you know, say as you do one for kitchen, you go dey think of food, and as you dey think of food, the answer will dey come out. Now make we change 124 for base 10. This time around, we no go change them to base 5. We will change them to base 8. We will change them to base 8. So what we will do now to divide this one by 8. So we will divide all of 124 divided by 8. How many 8 will we find for 12? Now 1. 8 times 1 na 8. 12 minus 8 will give me wetin? It will give me 4. So therefore I go put am here to make this one 44. Abi, so 44 divided by 8 will give me 5. Because 5 times 4. 5 times 8 will give me 40. So I will get remainder of 4. The next thing I go divide by 8. 15 divided by 8. How many 15 I fit get for 8? Because 8 times 2 na 16. So na only 1 I go get. Abi, that one I go get 8 times 1 go give me 8 times 1 go give me 8 times 1 go give me 8. Then 15 minus 8 go give me 7. So the next thing what I go do be say I go divide 1 by 8. 1 divided by 8 e no dey possible, so e go give me 0, and my remainder go be wetin? Go be 1. So if I count this one from bottom to top, that means 124 for base 10, 124 for base 10 go dey equal to 174 for base 8. And that one go be the answer to that question. So you see, say when you dey answer question for number basis, wetin you need to do na just to simplify am, understand the thing wey dem want to make you do, and make you answer am. So you see, today we don discuss how to convert from other bases to other bases, from one base to other bases. We don discuss how to convert from other bases to base 10, and we don discuss how to convert from base 10 to other bases. So if you see this thing, make you try go through am and use am solve any other question. Remember, I say I go give you question wey you go try. Now make you go try this one. If you try this one, anything wey you give you, make you drop am for the comment section. I want to make you convert first 110011 for base 2. I want you to convert am to base 10. Now another one, I want to make you convert number 2. I want to make you convert 154 for base 3. Make you convert am to base 8. So try these two questions. If you try these two questions, any answer wey e give you, make you drop am for the comment section, and I go dey very happy to interact with you there. This na unique Pidgin Academy, the only academy wey dey help us get to know all the things wey we need to know for our bukuru, for our mother language. If you never register for this channel, make you remember say you dey miss very much, but you never miss too much. Make you register now. The 3 things wey you go do na: subscribe, hit the subscribe button, that red button. Send us your name for the comment section, your email address, and the subject wey you would like to take. Then we will connect you to our academy, register you to our academy. My name na Andy, the only unique teacher. Thank you very much for watching our video today, and I look forward to seeing you next time for this our class. Bye bye.